Market Explorer gives you a big picture view of land values, helping you benchmark properties, analyze regional trends, and spot market opportunities. Section 1. Navigating the Market Explorer. When you open Market Explorer, you'll first see a heat map of land values, a visual snapshot to quickly spot high and low value regions. Next, select your state and county, then click Refresh Results to load the full report. Section 2. Applying filters and exploring data. Use filters for crop type, acreage, tillable percentage, soil productivity, sale type, and more to narrow results to land that matches your target profile. Click Refresh Results and all charts update instantly to reflect your selections. Section 3. Real-life examples. Let's look at 3 real-world examples. Analyzing prime cropland in Illinois? Set tillable acreage to 70 to 100%. Raise the soil productivity index above 100 and narrow your acreage range. This combination isolates high-quality row crop ground, helping you benchmark values for investors or clients who want premium farmland. Or evaluating California almond orchards? Select almonds under crop type and adjust your acreage range. This helps you understand pricing trends in permanent specialty crops, where values often reflect both land and established trees. What about recreational or forestry in the Southeast? Set the land use category to forestry, adjust your acreage range, and include mixed sale types. This gives you a broad view of rural transactions, helping identify opportunities where recreational use overlaps with forestry investments. These tailored filters don't just refine your data, they give you actionable insights into each market segment. Section 4. Analyzing market metrics and the Farmer Mac Index. Review updated charts for average sale price per acre, sales trends, transaction volumes, and acreage sold by quarter. At the top of every Market Explorer report, you'll also find the Farmer Mac Farmland Price Index, powered by AcreValue. Farmer Mac is the nation's leading secondary market for agricultural loans. Their partnership with AcreValue gives you exclusive access to a nationwide index that tracks quarterly farmland sale prices across the U.S., helping you validate market conditions, support pricing decisions, and present yourself as the local expert with data your competitors can't access. Section 5. Deep Dive and Exports. For a closer look at individual transactions driving these trends, click View Underlying Data to jump directly into the Sales Comp database with filters applied. You can also export the entire Market Explorer report as a polished PDF, perfect for sharing with clients, including in presentations, portfolios, or mailing outreach. Whether you're pricing a single parcel or analyzing an entire portfolio, Market Explorer with the exclusive Farmer Mac Farmland Price Index gives you unmatched insight into where the market is and where it's headed.